To insert a SIM card in OnePlus 13, first you need to grab your device and then turn it upside down, just like that. Then you can find the SIM slot right here. You will also need to grab SIM ejection tool. It should be included in the package and the box that this phone comes with, and all you have to do is grab it with the needle point and then push it into this gap right here. Do not mistake it for the gap right there, as this one is a microphone, and right here we have our SIM slot. So we need to push it in right there and keep pushing until the SIM slot opens just like that. Now you'll be able to grab it with your fingernails. Now we can let go of the phone and focus on this SIM card tray. And now it has two sides. This side is SIM card number 2 and this side is SIM card number 1. You can grab the SIM card itself and align it with the slot and the cutout. So the cutout is right here, so I'm gonna insert my card just like that. Now it's fully in. We can grab our SIM tray and then try to stick it back in its place. Make sure to align it with the gap that we inserted our needle in, and keep pushing until it's fully hidden in our case. And that is basically everything.